Angizazi ukuthi ngizalwe nini, angizazi ukuthi ngwakabani isibongo, futhi angizazi nokuthi ngumhlobo bani. Angazi or ngimsuthu ngumzulu or kwenzakalani yabona. So ngiyafisa nje nami ukuthola umzali, ngiyafisa ukuthi ngamthola umama. Hayi noma ngasamthola umama obomndeni mhlambe abaziyo ukuthi bake balahlekelwa ngoba somehow bayazi ukuthi ke kwalahleka umntwana efamily ngoba vele ngangisengimdala bese bengazi abantu abaningi. So there must be ukuthi khona umuntu oyaziyo ukuthi ngilahlekile somewhere. So
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and I'll be your host for the day. Thank you once again to all of you that have been sharing and commenting and liking and doing whatever it is that you feel you must do to sort of push the show forward. To honor and recognize you, we've decided to put your handles down on the bottom. And what we do, we usually take whoever comments and, whoever comments on the previous episode, we are then going to spotlight them on this one. So check the handle below to see if you're one of those that have been spotlighted for today's episode. Guys, thank you so much once again for your support and your love. The purpose of this show is so that we could share these painful, sad stories so that we can all come to a point of elevation as a country to see what's really happening behind the scenes. And also to just provide a platform to those that want to share and speak about their story and lessons so that when you and I get to that point, we know exactly what it is we must do. Without wasting time, we're going to jump into today's story and welcome our guest for the day. Sawubona mama.
Yebo sawubona.
Ninjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Sikhona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uthathe isikhathi sakho uzelana to come and share your story. Konje ngizothi umama ubani wakuphi?
Ngushila igama lami.
Okay.
Ngibuya eHeadleyburg eRathanda.
Okay. No, nice to meet you. Mhlambe singathi ushila ubani. Before singene endabeni nje, I just want to know a little bit more about you. Ukhulela laphi? Ukhula nobani kanjani?
Ngushila ngikhulela eRathanda. Nginabantwana abayi-3. Engakusho nje lokho.
No, thank you so much for sharing. Maybe without wasting time game, awusitshele mamshila ukuthi into ekubeka la namhlanje ithini?
Hey, namhlanje ngiza ngeindaba actually ngilahlekelwe. Ngalahlekelwa ngisesemncane, ngalahlekelwa abazali.
Okay.
Manje ngiyakhula nje ngize ngibe ngaka nginabazali. So manje namhlanje bengize la kwahope ukuthi mhlambe ngakwazi ukusizeka, mhlambe umuntu uzozwa isitory sami samoya and then akwazi ukungisiza.
Okay. No, I think that makes sense. Maybe ungasitshela ukuthi kwenzakaleni kahle kahle.
Okay. Indaba ngizoyicala la bengihlala nomamami, nobabami, nobhuti wami omdala. Besihlala endaweni engaseMeaton.
Okay.
Eplazini eMeaton. Elingase bathini Henenklep.
Okay.
Sithi kusehenenklep. So lapho ke umama ngilingila ngawahamba bengisesemncane wahamba wayophuza yathi makayophuza and then azangabuye that day. Wabuya ngelanga elandelayo ekseni makafika endlini baba nokuxabana nobaba ngoba obvious bekangalalanga endlini baba nokuxabana. Then umama ke yena wa decide ukuthatha mina ahambe nami. And then masihamba nomama sifike like basuka endlini sithole imoto imile ngase stopini mayimile imoto mlungu uhamba nomuntu wakhe omsebenzelayo. Then ke masifika singena even ubaba lo ahlike azohlala nathi ngapha ngasemuva bangithengela amasweet nyana and then sihambe bengisesemncane bengaka understand amalanga bengingakazi next kahle. And then masifika le angazi ukuthi sihlela amalanga ingaki nalo baba la asebenza khona like kule plaza bekasebenza kula asebenzela lo mlungu. And then sihlela amalanga nyana few umama wa decide ukuthi okay mela hamba emuva yolanda impahla. And then wahamba waya lapho yolanda impahla. Ubaba lo bekangafuni kahle ukuthi ahambe wamthembisa ukuthi uzobuya wazowashiya mina iseprove ukuthi uyabuya wathi ngizoshiya umntwana and then ubonisa ukuthi ngiyabuya uzohamba eksena landa impahla abuye ntambama. And then that was the last time ngibona umama. Azange ngiphinde ngimbone from that day. Ngahlala nalo baba lo angazi ukuthi sihlela amalanga ingaki abonakala ukuthi vele baba uyasogola ngoba mele ahambe ayemasimini osebenza yenzeni aphinde futhi anekekile mina bengisesemncane bengakwazi nokupheka or ini ngalezo nkathi lezo. Okay, ubaba lo wa decide ukungisa endaweni eseduzanyana lapho emaplazini ukuthi bangigadele yena so that ukuthi akwazi ukuthi asebenze. Kwakuthi vele baloku bamhlupha njalo ukuthi bamhlupha ukuthi hayi uzothatha umntwana hayi phela impupha yikho hayi phela ini yabona into kanjalo. Then ke kulapho wa decide khona ukungithatha angise ekhaya kubo mamakhe. Wangithatha wangisa umamakhe wayihlala eKamajazana by then khona ilokishi kuthiwa Kamajazana wayihlala Kamajazana by then and then ngahlala nomamakhe wangishiya nomamakhe. Umamakhe wayese umuntu okhulile ugogo bese kamdala obvious bekahlala nabazukulu bakhe abantwana bakhe bamadodakazi nebabafana sho ukuthi ubaba lo wangithatha wangisa lapha ubaba umalume kubo bebathi malume kuye. So mabafika lapha yana kwakuthi manje sengihlala nabo umzala kufana nokuthi abomzala kimi ngoba ufike wathi kumama yakhe mina ngumntwana wakhe okay kwavele kwaziwa kanjalo ukuthi ngumntwana wakhe ngakhula kanjalo ke so lokho ngikhulela kule ifamily yakwamhlungu so lokho ngikhulela lapho until manje so umama angimazi ukuthi ubani igama lakhe futhi angisazi isibongo sakhe ukuthi ubani futhi even nalo baba lo wami ebengihlala naye ngaleso sikhathi ngoba ngazi kumanje mase ngikhula nje ngiba confused angisazi ukuthi kahle kahle ubaba umuphi ngoba ngenze ukuthi mhlawumbe umama bekangithatha lapha angisa kubaba ngempela or bekwenzakalana ngazi so lo baba lo besihlala naye lapha emaplazini angilazi igama lakhe into engiyaziyo ulo bhuti wami ukuthi igama lakhe kwakuzamani ngoba vele bengimbiza ngithi zamani but ke umama bengingamazi ngoba bengithi mama so angisazi isibongo angayikho into engiyaziyo ngabo
and then ubaba lo ukuthathayo yena igama lakhe uyalazi yena
yena uKaiser wakamhlungu Kaiser Aaron wakamhlungu
usasekhona yena
cha naye wahamba wangisa lapha kubo wahamba wanyamalala zange sabuya so angimazi naye ukuthi waphelela kuphi
so wakisa kibo wangaphinda wabuya yena lapho
wangisa kubeka lokeza but wagcina seka disappearile naye angabisabuya
and then laba abahlala lapho kulomuzi kibo abamazi yena ukuthi mhlambe wayapi
cha abamazi
umuntu ovele walahleka nje
uvele beke umuntu vele ohamba ayisebenzele emaplazini abuya avakasha hamba sebenzele abuya avakasha wagcina seka ngasavakasha wagcina ngasabuyanga and vele like noma ngabe ushonile ugcina ngangcwatshwanga
I'm sure nabo laba abahleli lapha endlini bayazibuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni abamfunanga mhlawumbe somewhere bamcinge
cha bengekho umuntu ohamba yamfune in no
so lapho ekhaya la ukhulela khona ukukhula kwakho kwabanjani khule kahle bebekuphatha kahle
ukukhula ungana mama kunzima kunzima ukukhulunga na mama azange ngikhule kahle ngoba angikhumbuli ukuthi kunala ngeke ngahlala khona ngahlala like more than 2 years bebahamba bashintshisana ngama cousin bekungukuthi sinenini ngihlala nalo sinenini ngihlala nalo sinenini ngihlala nalo yana yabona ngakhula nje ngendlela ezingafani and omunye nomunye wayine treatment yakhe omunye nomunye umuzi nomuzi unezawo yabona so akusukhula kamnandi lokho ngaze ngagcina ithe mangina actually mangenza standard 5 ngingahlangana nomunye umfana nje end up sengihamba naye sengiyohlala kubo like ngisiganisa and bengifunda standard 5 ngiphasele standard 6 bemele ngiyofunda standard 6 kwakukosa ukuthi ngihambe wayihlala abazali bakhe bebasa Rustenburg so yiwangithatha wahamba nami Rustenburg ngiyohlala kubo Rustenburg and then
laba bohlala nabo manje la kule khaya owalishiya lapho abacinganga abakufuna ukuthi
bebazi ukuthi nguphi bebazi ukuthi
uyawabatshela
ngoba even noma mhlambe makunzima bengiya ngivakashe ngiphinde ngibuye ngiye ngivakashe
okay so esikoleni wagcina lapho
esikoleni ngachubeka mangifika khapha umfana bangichubekisa bayibathi mangingahlala ngizosuka ngoba vele Rustenburg sema-mine so umamazala wami wayesaba ukuthi ngizogcina ngihamba ngithola amanye amadoda or ini yabona wathi ngicela ukuthi uchubeke esikoleni ngoba lo bengize ngaye yena wayesebenza kho eNigeria so kwakukosa ukuthi yena ahambe abuye enyanga mayiphela so mina bengihlala ekhaya kubo kwakukosa ukuthi vele ngichubeke ngingachubeka esikoleni up until grade 11 ngingaphasa grade 11 wami nje ukuthi azange ngisakhona ukufunda grade 12
okay that's nice asikhulume ngale farm le iyaka mama nobaba labo busuke khona original usangayikhumbula le ndawo le
indawo le kahle kahle beyisengcondweni yami bengihlala ngazi ukuthi la besihlala khona bekuyiplaza and then istage sestimela then indlela ngapha isitolo lento leyo beyihlala isengcondweni yami bengingayazi by then ukuthi kusemiyathon or ini ukuze ngiyazi ukuthi lapho kusemiyathon ngathola ipeace job ngasemaplazini la ukuthi umlungu bekangilanda eRenkeni emiyathon angihambisa la bengisebenza khona phinda ngilethe angishiya eRenkeni and then ngelinye ilanga ke kwathola ukuthi angazi ukuthi bekwenze njani azange siphume ngendlela esijwayele ukuphuma ngayo masiya lapha eplotini lakhe then masiphuma ngalendlela engayazi nayi le ndawo mangithi ngiyabheka ngiyayibona ukuthi amani nayi le ndawo okay ngoba vele bengihamba nomlungu ngihambe ngiyosebenza then ngelinye ilanga mangithole isikhathi esifree bese ngiyahamba ngiyalapha ya ngiyibheka kahle le ndawo le mangifika vele ikhona lapho kodwa mara manje inkinga ukuthi akusese amaplaza wasekho sekuyakhwe ama suburbs lapha yana sekune suburb nyana labelungile yakhiwe lapha yana so but ke ngingathola omunye ubaba bekathengisa lapha esitolo so ngambuza ukuthi unesikhathi esingakanani wayesasho ukuthi hayi unesikhathi eside kakhulu lapha ngimbuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ngeplaza mina ngicine kuneplaza la or nginamanga na wathi hayi vele iplaza belikhona ngamtshela ngithi ubaba wayesebenza elokhunjeni ilabantu abahamba ngamaveni bahamba nezinja, so I don't know ukuthi bekuyiphoyisa or yini. Wathi hayi uqinisile ngoba la bekuhlala ama-security, ama-security lawo wayegada ngezinja, yiwo labo ahlala lana, so laba abathutha babayisa, kukhona ilokishi elincane balicalile bathi Isicelo ngase-Meaton, babathutha babayisa ngasesicelo bonke abantu balapha eplazini. And then ke wangilayela ke nokuthi ngaya kubani kungukuthi mhlambe ukhulele la kule plaza leli, ngahanga endaba ngiya lapho kulo mama loyo, kwakuthi mara naye akasakhumbuli kahle izinto zakudala.
Okay, akasakhumbuli. Akekho umunye umuntu oye wakhuluma ngayo umama ukuthi mhlambe angakhomba ukuthi bekwenzakalani, uye nje umama ayi-one umuntu analeyo information.
Kwakuuye kuphela, wayithi mangabe mhlawumbe khona angabathola abanye uzangifonela or ini, but ugcina ngasangifonelanga. And bengiloko ngiya ngibuyelela, sometimes ngifike ngamtholi thola ingane zakhe yabona. So uke wangisa na kumama wakhe, umama wakhe uke wakhuluma ukuthi uyamazi like umama beku-Rose, bekathi uRose, yabo ke Rose waleZulu, washo kanjalo athi ake amtsiba ke Rose waleZulu.
Bekamazi umama.
So ugogo lo umama kalo mama lo bengikuye, so wathi yena kuyamtsiba man ngare ke Rose man waleZulu nahlile abutwa haye utwa kai. So yabona, so into engikhohlukisho nje ukuthi umama bengazi nje ukuthi yimi uza noZamani laba besihlala naye, but bekhona abantwana abayi-2 ebengazi ukuthi neni abantwana basekhaya nabo obhuti bami abayi-2, bekuthiwa omunye bekuthiwa uMpisi, omunye athi uNgila. So omunye uMpisi, omunye uNgila. So mara ke la wayithi bahle basele ekhaya kubo, mina naye lapha bekuyimi noZamani.
I'm hoping ukuthi mhlambe uZamani, uMpisi konje nobani umunye
noNgila
mhlambe babukele balalele, mhlambe bazokhona ukuthi mhlambe if there is that sort of reach out, they can reach out to us ukuthi bazokhona ukuthintana nathi sinihlanganise. I'm really praying ukuthi mhlambe nomunye umuntu obukele mhlambe uzokhona ukuthi pick up here and there, azokhona ukusichazela ukuthi mhlambe singabhekela kuphi. Igama le farm abulazi,
ifarm
umnikazi weplaza
bathi konje bekuthiwa bani ka-small or ka-smali, ha-smali. Bathi ka-small, mara mabathi smali, ha-smali or ha-small, khona lapho nje.
And then indaba yokuthi bebegada for a security company or
angiyazi kodwa but ke bathi bebahlala lapho kungama-security bonke, abantu bahlala kulela plaza basebenzela uSmali kodwa bebagada nezinja.
No, it makes sense. And then from there muphuma kumama akuzange kwaba nokunye nje okukufikelayo mhlambe or anything.
Usho ukuthi ngesikhathi sisesekamajazana sihlala nogogo, ke kwayenzakala ukuthi kamajazana kushona iComrade elikhulu elalaziwa like kakhulu. And then wonke umuntu wayesemncwabeni, bekusuka abantu from Sharpeville, Sebokeng, kulezo indawo nje beze kamajazana bazongcwaba le Comrade leli. And then kwakuthi umalume this ubaba lo engifike naye la wahamba nabashana bakhe abawu-2 nabo bebayo attenda umncwabo. And then emncwabeni lapho ke kuthiwa kukhona umama ofike wascreama wathi hayi nayi le ndoda ebaleke nomntanami, yabona. Then ke manje lo mama kuthiwa beka-screama, so ithe maka-screama kanjalo umalume wabeseka uyadisappear, uyabaleka ngoba manje mabasho bona bathi bebasaba ukuthi like semncwabeni wama-Comrade. And yazi ukuthi ama-Comrade back then bewayenzani, bewadila ngezinto ukuthi bakushaya bashisa umndeni wakini, into ezikanjalo. Kwakuthi babalekela lento leyo, abazange basakwazi ukuthi bam-addresse kahle ukuthi hayibo woza ngapha umntana ukhona, basaba ukuziveza ngenxa ukuthi manje bekakhala ashawuda athi indoda ibaleke nomntanami, yabona. So kwakuthi neni
yasuspect ukuthi uyu mama wakho lo.
Bebasho kanjalo bathi vele ubefana nami, bathi hayi ufana naye, into ezikanjalo, yabona.
Manje bekumele bethi mabafika ekhaya bathumele omunye umuntu ukuthi mhlawumbe akahambi nabo,
like ayibona vele bebangababoni, bebabona yena kodwa bona basabe ukuziveza ukuthi neni sihamba naye, ngoba the way yena bekamemeza ngakhona basaba ukuthi mhlawumbe ama-Comrade lawa, yabona, angasuka ayenza something.
No, at least kuyazwakala. And then from there kwaba kuphela kwendaba. Did you ever from then on pick up on anything additionally from there?
After lokho akunalutho ngiyazama, even noma ngithi ngiyazama mhlambe ngibhalele ukhumbule ekhaya, angina ikhumbule ekhaya ifuna like isithombe, ifuna isibongo, igama nani, angina information. Anginayo.
I think the closest context that you have would be your assumed brothers, labo bokhuluma ngabo ukuthi mhlawumbe mangabe sebezwa amagama wabo, it's hopefully they can be able to pick up ukuthi kanjani, yabona. But if there's anyone obukile mhlawumbe manje ongafisa ukukusiza explicitly, ungafuna ukuthi akusize kanjani, ngazi this is obvious, but bengithi ngibuze ukuthi usizo olufunayo manje usizo olunjani directly.
Kahle yazini empilweni kunzima if awuzazi, njengami nje ayikho into engiyaziyo ngami, yonke into ngami kahle ifake. even ilokhunjana ama birthdays into ezikanjani angazazi ukuthi ngizalwe nini, angizazi ukuthi ngwakabani isibongo, futhi angizazi nokuthi ngumhlobo bani. Angazi or ngimsuthu ngumzulu or kwenzakalani yabona. So ngiyafisa nje nami ukuthola umzali, ngiyafisa ukuthi ngamthola umama. Hayi noma ngasamthola umama obomndeni mhlambe abaziyo ukuthi bake balahlekelwa ngoba somehow bayazi ukuthi ke kwalahleka umntwana efamilini ngoba vele ngangisengimdala bese bengazi abantu abaningi. So there must be ukuthi khona umuntu oyaziyo ukuthi ngilahlekile somewhere. So bengajabula if mangabe ngaba nomuntu somewhere obukushow ongakwazi ukungisiza. Ongakwazi ukungisiza ngoba kunzima nginabantwana abayi3 abangazi nje ukuthi omalume ogogo into ezikanjalo yabona bangazi ngiwani nje emhlabeni fana nokuthi ngingedwa ngoba nginamalume angina auntie anginabani yabona. So bonke labantu engithi nginabo yebo nginabo ngoba vele basempilweni yami yibo futhi umndeni wami engwaziyo kodwa kahle angizalani nabo anyhow.
No siyababonga nabo ukuthi babe nomusa nenhliziyo yokuthi basondele duzane nawe bangak-exile. And I think we need more and more people like that because ama cases afana nawakho mhlambe maningi wakhona ngoba ngalezi inkathi zokukhula kwakho uzothola ukuthi izinto ezinje bezenzakala kakhulu because of izimo abantu bebahlangana nazo. So I think siyabonga ukuthi ukhonela ukuvela uzokhuluma udaba lwakho mhlambe so encourage nomunye ohlele ekhaya ubukele onalenkinga onayo ukuthi naye mhlambe akasukume ngenyawo kube khona lokho akwenzayo. So sikubonge kule ndawo. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I think if you are sitting at home and you can relate to the story or some sort of information that goes with a history yaka mama, because she did talk about her 3 brothers, bengizofuna ukuthi wa-emphasize futhi amagama obobhuti ukuthi abobani ukuthi mangabe bahlele ekhaya bezwe ukuthi kubizwa thina la. Just one more time usibizele amagama obhuti.
Benguzamani, umpisi, nongila.
Yeah, so mangabe uzamani, umpisi, nongila balalele la bekhona. Mangabe mhlambe wena uyabazi uzamani nompisi nongila la bekhona. Sicela ukuthi usithinte. We're going to share a number below so that we can help umama just regain contact with her family. Alternatively, if you were a neighbor or if you were a person who was close to where umama bekehlala khona, please reach out to us because she did indicate ukuthi bekusendaweni yaseMeyathini wayichaza nendawo khona ukuthi indawo enjani. Mangabe uyimisile leyo section, please ngicela ubuyele emuva ubukele ulalela umama ukuthi uthini uzokhona ukuthi us-direct to the right place. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Mama, are you comfortable with sharing your phone number so that if there's someone ole ngaphandle ongathanda ukuthi axhumane nawe avele akuthinte straight?
Yeah, inumber yami it's 069 277 5992. Yeah, and ebengithanda ukusho nje ngithanda ukubonga kule family lenkhulisile ngoba in most cases abantwana bakhula the way mina ngikhule ngakhona bahamba ba-experience izinto ezinzima njengabo rape nani kodwa mina angizange nje ngizi experience izinto ezikanjalo and ngiyabonga.
Yeah, no siyababonga nabo kakhulu futhi because ukuthi bathatha umntana okude like onjengawe nje bamprotect ukuthi akhule endaweni right. I mean that's a very very beautiful gift isipho esikhulu. Mhlawumbe umdali naye emele simbonge ukuthi ukhonile ukuthi agcine ukuthi uzofika la ufika khona ukuthi nawe uzimele uzokhona ukuthi uyicinge nawe. Guys, thank you so much once again to all of you that have been watching and following. We really love the fact that you've supported us from since we started up until now. We still urge you to once again step in and assist umama where possible. We're going to ask or maybe take a picture and share it on the platform so that you can circulate it. If possible, maybe someone might be able to recognize her or see her, possibly. But alternatively, don't hesitate to contact us on the number below. If you also are going through the same challenge where you are looking for your lost loved ones, please don't hesitate to reach out to us so that we can feature you on this show, so that you can reach out to multitudes and speak to more people. Remember, we've got a large following. I think it's around close to 500,000 on TikTok. Facebook is also close to 200,000 people. So a lot of people will be seeing these episodes, and that increases your chances of getting in contact with your lost family members. But mama, sikubonge nje ukuthi ube ne courage nokucina ukuthi ukhona ukuthi ufike la uzokhuluma indaba yakho. And I feel ukuthi cina kanjalo uchubeke. Whatever information that comes from here, uyilandelele. Where you need help, please give us a hand. If you need transport to get somewhere, a time to call someone, don't hesitate to call us so that we can be able to assist you. And eventually, hopefully when you do find them, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Mrado and I was your guest for the day. Don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe. This is The Hope Revolution. From me and the team in studio and our beautiful guest, it's bye for now.